Hello friends, I hope you are fine and healthy. I'm here in the lap of nature, the beautiful sceneries and the beautiful lake you see here. The stream is flowing and the water is very smooth and transparent. In the water the things can be seen. You see, the scenery is very eye-catching and it is a very beautiful place and very peaceful. You can come here for meditation. Here is also a beautiful spring, In summer the people come here for taking a bath because the water of this at that time it is very cold and it gives satisfaction to the heart and body. So it is very pleasant to be here and you can have a peace of mind here because there is no artificial noise here. You see, the autumn is going to set because you see that the trees are empty. They have almost less leaves and they are empty. It is having a pleasant look. Autumn has its own beauty. We can find beauty everywhere. As John Keats says that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. So nature is very peaceful and very important for the soul. William Wordsworth says that when you are unhappy and you come to the lap of nature, so you will find peace of mind and happiness. It will give you a satisfaction, a spiritual satisfaction. It will give you. So you should visit such places which are natural and peaceful. So it will give you a very satisfactory moment in your life, and you will remember that, and it will soothe your soul. Thank you so much for watching this video.